everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna prepare together a sofrito dominicano or Dominican sofrito. All right, the reason I want to do this video today is because I'm going to be doing like cooking videos, but I think it's gonna be easier if we start with the Dominican sofrito, because most of my like cooking stuff and like the rices and the meat, you know, I always use the Dominican sofrito, so I think it's easier if I actually begin telling you how to make it. All right, and actually I want to dedicate this video to Alexa, so if your name is Alexa and you're watching this video, please enjoy. All right, so let's begin. Let me show you what I'm going to use, like all the materials I need to do the Dominican sofrito. So you're gonna need red onions. Why red onions? Red onions because I think for my preference it tastes like crispier and tasty, but you can use actually any onions, you know, whatever you have handy. All right, you're gonna need fresh garlic. Make sure it's fresh garlic because it's gonna make it taste. Actually, I will say this is like the heart of the sofrito. All right, you're gonna need a lime. Like, this is optional, but I think a lime will be good. We're gonna need some cilantro. All right, fresh cilantro. We're gonna need sweet peppers, like one green, one red, and we're gonna need like a Cuban pepper. Actually, none of these are spicy, by the way. We're gonna need some basil, like you know, this amount for the amount we're doing today. A little of black pepper, actually, and this is the one I use right here. Black pepper. All right, we're gonna use my favorite. Actually, most of my food, I have like, I use oregano. So oregano, and it smells delicious. All right, we're gonna also need olive oil. And why olive oil? Actually, you can use any olive oil of your preference, but why olive oil? This will be like a preservative, and this will make your sofrito last longer without getting bad. All right, so that we're gonna need salt. I use pink salt, but you can use like any salt of your preference. It won't matter. And then some of the supplies you're gonna need, for example, you're gonna need a like glass jar. I will prefer for you guys to use like a glass jar. You can actually use plastic if you want, but I think to make it last longer, and you know, since it's something that we're gonna be putting in the food and everything, you want to preserve it really good. So let's use a jar with the lid. I'll show you. Also, this is all optional. You can actually use a label maker, so actually you can actually label your or personalize your jar. It's gonna make it look nice. And for last, we're gonna need our blender. In this case, I'm using my Vitamix. All right, so I'm gonna be chopping all the products and stuff, and then I'm gonna show you how everything's gonna be coming along. Everything is all washed and clean. I'm just gonna go wash my hands one more time and start chopping. All right, so see you in a moment. All right, so let's put everything in the blender so we can actually blend all together. Oh, and I forgot to mention, guys, that maybe we will need this because that way we can squeeze the lemon juice. So we're gonna need one of these if you have one. If you don't have one of those, you can actually just simply go like and squeeze it like that. See? As simple as that. But since I have it, I'm just gonna take advantage and squeeze all the juice of that lemon. So that is set for that. Okay, so here we have the onion. We have red and green pepper, like I mentioned, and garlic. I'm gonna put this up front and I'm gonna blend like this part, and then when we get like the little liquid everything, we're gonna actually add more of the ingredients. I'm gonna put the hot pepper and the basil. Actually, I'm gonna put also, see, like this of salt. All right. Okay, at this point, you see how like everything like went down. So now we have space to add the cilantro. Sorry, the cilantro. We can actually at this point also add the oregano. All right, so here we have it. It smells delicious. So this is the sofrito. All right, so now we're gonna actually put everything in the container, like I told you. To say, maybe I think I'm gonna need 2 containers, believe it or not. But I have another one, so we'll put, like, you know, in another glass one. All right, this is basically the end. You're gonna transfer everything to your container. Just like that. Just like that. Sorry. And we're gonna cover it. Make sure everything is clean. We're gonna cover it. If you need to know like any information about any of the products I use, or if you want any links, please, you can actually leave your comments. Okay, and then we're gonna do this. We're gonna just actually label it like I mentioned, so it looks nice right there. We can actually put it right here, just like that. And this is the final product. Here you got your sofrito. This we can use, this Dominican sofrito, we can use it for like many of the meat and Spanish rice, and I'll be showing you that in the future because I'm gonna be posting like cooking videos and stuff. And once again, hope you like it, and if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, please. Hope you enjoy it. Have a great day and see you in the next. Goodbye.